Hey y'all, we ready? What we ready for? I have no idea, but we are ready.
It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away, come chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an visions I replay. Sit right next to you.
What's good, faves? It's your fave, Miss Renee. You guys, I am back at it again, y'all. And this time, I am going to do a beauty review for a company called iMethod Beauty. So I'm excited. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am actually going to be doing my eyebrows. Yes. So let's just see. Let's see how this looks. Hey, girl. Have you subscribed yet? Honey, come on, girl. I need you to smash that subscribe button, turn on that bell notification, and girlfriend, come on and ride with Fave this summer. Y'all know it's hot grandmommy summer. Hot grandmommy summer. Come on, y'all. Let's get ready to have some fun. But first, let's put on some eyebrows. Okay, ladies. So the name of this company is called iMethod, and they have lots of beauty products. But they did they saw my videos and asked me if I would do a video for them, and of course I said sure. Why not? So I've always wanted to try this. It's a stencil eyebrow kit. I've always wanted to try it, but I never bought one. I don't know if I knew where to pick them up or whatever, but I was so excited, you guys, and opening up the packages with you guys and just kind of going through everything. I have the scissors in my hands, guys, because I'm cutting open the packages, and then look at that. So the stencils are very easy to just peel apart. Okay, you take that extra part of the applicator out, and then you have this eyebrow stencil. They're so neat. They're so easy. That's the box that everything came in, or most of the things came in. Actually, no, that's the box that that comes in. I don't know. I forgot what to call it. But anyway, this little bag is full of applicators that you can use. More stencils. I had so many stencils. That's what they call the pomade. And y'all, that's pretty much what I do for my eyebrows. I just shave the ends off because they don't grow the way I want to. So right here, I'm just taking the little spoolie and brushing out my eyebrows. Well, the tips of my eyebrows. This is the instructional sheet that comes inside that little pocket that I just unzipped. And of course, I'm reading for the first time, looking over all of the products that were sent. That's the color right there, and that is the little brush with the powder inside. Look at that, more stencils. Oh, so many stencils. Lots of reading because I had never seen this before. And that other little applicator is like a brush, but a sponge. And so you basically take the brush over the pomade, get your stencil, and you're really ready, you guys. I can't believe it's this easy. So I keep looking and trying to make sure it's that easy. And it is. And you just pop that little color. Not even hard. Oh, look at that. Really? And that was just like one little time. Look at it. Oh, yes, girl. Let me try it again. Like, it's really that easy. Oh, wow. I like it. I really do. Okay, so I'm not finished. I need to do the second step. Okay. Oh my God. Oh. Ooh. Hey girl, hey. Oh my God, I love it. Look at the difference of the eyebrows. Oh. Oh, I'm definitely gonna keep this. Oh, yes, honey. Oh my God. I'm so excited. Okay, so this is the first one, right? And then you match it up with the second one for the other eyebrow, of course. Oh my God, look you guys. It's 2 steps and they're so easy. Well, 3 steps. Simple, easy. Okay, so you put your thingamajiggy up there, the stencil, and then you make sure it's on your eyebrow really good. Match it with yours, and then you just, look at that, just a little dab across. Oh my God, it did it again. Oh my God, look at that. I love it. Okay, so I'm going to do it one more time. I'm just so excited. Oh no, I didn't. That's sealing it with the powder. You guys. Now I have a little spot where my eyebrow is kind of jacking up my thing. So they give you this little brush that you can kind of correct your mistakes. And that's just all that I'm doing right here. I'm just, oh my God, you guys. I really love it. Oh, look, I'm doing it again. I don't know why I did it again, but oh my God. Y'all, look. Perfect eyebrows. Perfect. They both match. One's not up too high, one's not down too low. They are both perfect. Oh my God, I love it. I gotta tell all my friends. Oh my God, y'all look. Oh my goodness, yes, I gotta tell everybody. Oh my God, everybody. You guys, I love them. Thanks, iMethod. What's going on, face? Girl, did y'all see that eyebrow tutorial? Check this out. Bam. Girl, get my eyebrow. Oh my God. Y'all know I always got my sidekick with me. That's my fave, y'all. It's my oldest son, Artist. So, here comes the other knucklehead son. Look, y'all, he gonna be mad. Hey, say hey, face.
Oh, Lord. On the face.
Say hey, face. That's my baby boy, y'all. Let me see what's up with him. I'll pick y'all up in a minute.
It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I know